everyone. So in this video we'll use place value to name whole numbers. In the last video we talked about identifying the place value of a digit. One real example of using the place value to name whole numbers is writing a check. When you write a check, we write out the number in words as well as in digits. So here is a step-by-step process on how to write a number in words. So when you write a number in words, we first write the number in each period followed by the name of the period without the S at the end. Therefore, we start with the digit at the left, which has the largest place value. The commas separate the periods. So wherever there is a comma in the number, we write a comma between the words. And one important thing is we do not include the period name for the ones, which has the smallest place value. So let's look at an example over here. So we have this number 37,519,248. Now how do you write this number in words? So first of all, we'll try to map this in a place value chart. So we'll first write this number starting from the very right hand. Therefore it would look like this. So we have 8, 4, 2, 9, 1, 5, 7, 3. Now let's see here. This is what we call periods. So the step number 1 is we start at the digit on the left. So the first period that we have is millions. So this 37 is in the millions period. This 519 is in the thousands period. And this 248 is in the ones period. So let me just write it down here. This is millions. This is in the thousands. And this is in the ones. So that's where we start off. So we first name the number in each period. So let's name it. This is 37. So 37. And then followed by the period name, which is 37 million. Comma, because there's a comma. Remember that we use commas in the number to separate the periods. The next number is 519. So we write 519. And then we name the period name, which is 1000. Now again we put the comma because after 519 we have the comma, and then we name the last period, which is in the ones. Now we do not include the period name for the ones, so we just write 248. So we can notice that the word and is not used when naming a whole number. Let's take a look at another example over here. We have to name this number in words. Again, we'll just use our place value chart and we'll see how we can place this number over here. So we'll start off from the very right hand. And let's see how we can write this number. So we have 0, 1, 7, 8, 9, 0, again comma, we have 2, 3, 4, again comma, we have 5, 6, 1, again comma, we have 8. Now this is a really big number. Now let's see. Again, the very first step is that we start at the digit on the left and we identify the period. So here this 8 is in the trillions period. So let's mark it here. This is trillions. And then this 165 is in the billions. And then we have 432, which is in the millions. This 98, it's in the thousands. And this 710 is in the ones. Now we just wrote down our period. We'll name this number in words. We have 8 trillion, 165 billion, 432 million, 98 thousand, and the last group is 710, and that's in the ones period. And remember, again, we don't write the last period name, so it's 710. This is how we write the number in words. I hope this is helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I'll be happy to help. Okay, I'll see you in the next video.